In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slide numbers that skip the title slide in PowerPoint. By the end, your presentation will show slide numbers everywhere except on the cover, keeping things professional and easy to navigate without distracting from the opening slide. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening PowerPoint and going to the Insert tab along the top ribbon. In the text group, click Slide Number. This opens the header and footer dialog, which is where PowerPoint controls slide numbers and a few other details like date and footer text. We'll focus on the slide number setting. In the dialog, check the box labeled Slide Number. This tells PowerPoint to place a slide number on your slides based on your theme's design. Now, click Apply to All. Apply to All is important because it pushes the setting across every slide in your deck, including any you add later. If you only click Apply, it would affect just the slide you're currently on, which isn't what we want for a consistent presentation. At this point, you should see a small number appear on your slides, usually near the bottom corner. The exact position and style come from your theme, so it might look slightly different depending on the template you're using. That's normal and expected. Next, we'll make sure the title slide stays clean. In the same header and footer dialog, check the option that says Don't Show on Title Slide. This setting tells PowerPoint to automatically hide the number on the slide that uses the title slide layout. If your first slide uses that layout, it will be excluded. If not, the option applies to whichever slide is using the title slide layout in your deck. To lock in that change everywhere, click Apply to All again. This second click updates the entire presentation so every slide displays a number except the title slide. It's a simple step, but it ensures consistency across the deck. That's it. You've enabled slide numbers and you've excluded the title slide to keep your opening clean and focused. As a quick recap, open the slide number settings from the Insert tab, check Slide Number, click Apply to All, check Don't Show on Title Slide, and click Apply to All one more time. Save your presentation when you're done so these settings stick. Using slide numbers makes it easier for your audience to follow along and for you to reference specific slides during Q&A or when sharing notes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present with more polish and clarity.